Good morning, good evening, and good night. Wherever you are in the world watching, welcome to Sonia's Creative Kitchen. For today, guys, I am going to make some fried dumplings, some fried plantain, and some ackee and red herring. So come along with me. Let me show you how it's done. So right here, we have our flour. We have our baking powder, some granulated sugar or white sugar. We have our salt, we have the butter, we have our baking powder, and over here we have all of our ingredients for our red herring and ackee. This ackee is from my backyard in Jamaica. So big up Jamaica. So right here we have our tomatoes, we have our sweet pepper, some scallion, onion, garlic, good old scotch bonnet pepper, and we have thyme. And don't forget, guys, you know me like my pimento. So now I'm going to get started on my fried dumplings. So stay tuned and watch the process. So guys, now I'm going to go ahead and make my dough for my fried dumplings. So I'm going to go ahead and add my baking powder, add my salt, some white sugar or granulated sugar, and then I'm going to give this a stir. So now guys, I'm going to go ahead and add my butter. So now I'm going to run the butter through my fingers. Crumbs look. So now I am going to go ahead, make a hole in the center, add the water, go in and use my hand. You don't want to knead the dough too tight because this is not for boiling, this is for frying. So you're going gentle. This is how you want the dough to look, guys. Sticky. So now I am going to set this aside and get started on my ackee. So welcome back, guys. Now I am going to go ahead and add my ackee. My water is boiling. Good old Jamaican ackee from my backyard. I like to boil my ackee with a lot of water. So now I like to put allspice in my ackee. I am a pimento girl. Little bit of thyme. I don't know why I do this, but for some reason makes me feel good. Give it flavor also. So now I am going to cover my pot and leave it to boil. So stay so so guys, stay tuned and watch the process. So guys, look at my ackee. It's boiling. Lovely. So soon I am going to turn it off and get started on my fried dumpling. Welcome back guys. Now that my ackee is finished, I am going to go ahead and get started on the process of my ackee and redering. And guys, my redering already boiled and picked. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my vegetable oil. And I'm going to go ahead and add garlic. I like garlic, to burn garlic in my oil. Guys, the reason why I'm burning my garlic is to flavor the oil. So now guys, I am going to remove my garlic and go ahead and add in my ground seasoning. So first, I am going to add my onion. Now I am going to go ahead and add my tomato. Turn up my stove a little bit more. Now I am going to go ahead and add my sweet pepper. Some garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic. Give it a stir. Look how beautiful this look, guys. Smell is on point. Remember me tell you. So I'm gonna leave this for a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and add my thyme. This looks lovely. Now guys, I am going to add my scallion. And you know, I cannot do without my pimento or allspice. I am a pimento girl. I put this in everything. I love that spice. Smell amazing, guys. Smell wonderful. Look how beautiful this look. Smells so good. Guys, now I am going to go ahead and add my redering. Oh my goodness. Look guys, smells so good. Smells so good, looks so beautiful. So guys, I am going to leave this for 2 minutes for it to absorb all these good flavors, and then I am going to add my ackee and some black pepper.
Much later.
Look at this guys. So now I am going to go ahead, add my ackee. Turn my stove down and fold it in slowly. Wow. This look amazing. So guys, I'm gonna add a little bit more black pepper. Not too much. I think this is enough. And now I'm gonna go ahead and fold it in. Look at this guys. It smells so good. So now I'm going to leave it for a few minutes. For it to absorb all this beautiful flavor. Welcome back guys. Now that my ackee and redering is ready, I am going to put it on the other side and go ahead and get started on my fried dumpling. So stay tuned and watch the process. Welcome back guys. So now I am going to get started on my fried dumplings. So now I am going to go ahead, turn on my stove, and then now I'm going to add my vegetable oil. So now guys, I am going to dust some flour on this plate right here to make my dumplings. So guys, I am going to go ahead and add my dumplings to my oil. So guys, now I'm going to test the oil with a small piece of dough and look for some bubbles. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. Perfect. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in my dumplings. So guys, this is how I make my dumplings. Round like a ball, then I make a hole in the center. Add it into the oil. So you want it, guys. Guys, look at my dumpling. Golden brown. I'm looking for perfect color on each side. They're coming along nicely. Looks nice. Guys, look at my dumpling. Coming on nicely. Golden brown I'm looking for. Look guys. Real Jamaican fried dumpling. Wow. So now guys, I am going to go ahead, get started on my plantain. Look at my fried dumpling, guys. I don't know the right measurement for this fried dumpling. I eyeball everything. That's how my aunt do it, my mom do it. And I have all my uncles, they are very good cook too. Them the people, they no measure nothing. Look how lovely these dumpling looks, guys. Looks so good. So guys, these take about 15-20 minutes. Guys, in the meantime, I'm going to get my plantain started. Guys, look at my dumpling. In another minute, I am going to remove them from the oil. And the same oil that I fry my fried dumpling in, I'm going to fry my plantain. So another minute, I am going to remove my dumplings.
1,000 years later.
Now guys, I am going to remove my dumplings. Looking lovely. So now guys, I am going to go ahead and add my plantain. So guys, my plantain is almost ready. And the next time you see me guys, I will be sharing my breakfast. Welcome back guys, my breakfast is ready. So now the proof is in the pudding. It's a time for tasting and I am going to give you my honest opinion. So as you can see, my ackee and red herring, fried dumpling, and fried plantain. First, guys, I'm going to open one of my dumpling for you guys to see. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Looks so good. Now, I am going to taste. I am going to taste, guys. But first, let me do it like this. You know we Jamaican do it already.
Into the mouth. Nice.
It's soft on the inside, crunchy on the outside. Perfect color and everything. This red herring and ackee, guys, tastes wonderful. Now I'm gonna go in, have some of my red herring and ackee. Tastes so good. No, we Jamaican do it already. This right here is delicious. Everything is on point, guys. Everything tastes so good. Guys, we have made it to the end of our video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And before I close out, I like to give a couple shout out to a couple of my subscribers. I want to big up Siobhan. Big up yourself, Siobhan. Amari, Rita Thompson, Paul Thompson, and Stacy James, and Jennifer Williams. And guys, thank you so very much for supporting me. All the comments are lovely. Big up yourself, triple S, not triple X, triple S and SE. Thank you so much for watching. Please, guys, continue to support this channel. And remember, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Bye.